The leader of the Voice of the People Party, Ardent Basaiawmoit, along with 3 other MLAs of the party that included Adelbert Nongrum, Brightstarwell Marbaniang and H, Kharpran, had staged a walkout on the first day of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to oppose the governor's message that was read out in the Hindi language. Ardent Basaiawmoit had expressed extreme anger at the fact that the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, had read his message during Monday's first budget session in the Hindi language, which the VPP MLA said is not the official language of the House, even though a copy of the same had been circulated in the English language. This was followed by a walkout from the House as the MLAs of the VPP felt it was an insult to the entire Khasi community.
We address in English. What is the point of addressing? We are talking about, the addressing. He should address the language we understand. We should not allow this. Which is why we walk out, because we don't want to be part of that procedure. We truly represent the voice of the people. That's why we have to do that. This is against the sentiment of the people. You go ask anyone outside the house, people will not accept this kind of a tradition to be promoted in the Meghalaya Legislative Assemblies. We want that this tradition should be stopped, should not be allowed to continue.